Hey, I'm Chris with PanoRAIL, here today to show you how to install our Swageless lag screw terminals and turnbuckles. Have all my tools laid out here. We're going to use 10, 11, 12, and 13 millimeter wrenches. We have a Allen wrench to tighten up the turnbuckle, cable cutters, drill, and our cable. All right, let's get started. We're going to start with the terminal side. Take the head and lock nut off here and set it aside. Then we're going to just drop the terminal right in the chuck of the drill. And drill it straight in. And we'll do the turnbuckle side. Take the turnbuckle and lock nut off again. Set it to the side. And then just drop that lag screw portion into the chuck of your drill. And these are left-hand thread. The turnbuckles are left-hand thread, so make sure you tighten it, drill it in there counterclockwise. And we'll put the lock nut and turnbuckle back on there. Now install the cable. Start with the terminal side. We'll slide the head on, and then the jaws. And you'll push it on here until it bottoms out, and then slide the jaws on, and then tighten the head down. We'll use a 10 millimeter and 12 millimeter wrench to tighten the head down. And then we'll use a 13 millimeter to tighten the lock nut. Then pull your cable over to the turnbuckle side, and we'll open the turnbuckle up. Make sure you have it open even on both sides of the turnbuckle. Since this is such a short run, we don't have to open it up very much. And you'll want to cut the cable about halfway down the threads here. And again, slide the head on, and then the jaw set. And push it onto the terminal side, onto the base, and then tighten it up. Again, we'll use a 10 millimeter and 12 millimeter to tighten this up. And then a 13 millimeter to tighten down the lock nut. Tighten up the turnbuckle. Tension the cable. We'll use a Allen wrench to get it tight. There we are. Then you'll use an 11 millimeter to tighten down these turnbuckle lock nuts. And there you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, info at panorailing.com or give us a call 501-712-9676. Thanks. Have a great day.